My name is Simbarashe Abu. I teach at Chiguri Primary School in Murewa, that is in Mashonaland East. I am here at ZEVI for a 3-day workshop that is from 25 March up to 27 March. I have learned a lot of things, including I am a school rep at Chiguri Primary School, and I have learned a lot of things here at ZEVI. And among the things I have learned here is how to recruit members, and the strength in the ZIMTA is in the numbers. So we are going to recruit more members in the Zimbabwe, the biggest union in Zimbabwe. Thank you.